Pretty beetles. Nice big healthy hive. Any supers. A few more to go. Right there. Already did everything along the ditch. Yay. Okay. All that area I still have to go. In the back row. Finished the two on the left. That one's done. Then I did all of these out here already. So Merry Christmas. Everything here been done. Looked in. Super took off. Someone didn't need supers taken off. Those had two on them. Top bar hive doing okay. A little fighting going on since I just finished. Everybody's having a little fighting, but all of these are done. Everybody has had their honey take off. And the inferior screen bottom took off. And a nice solid bottom put on. Can't see behind those trees. And then, yay! At least now I'm done before it's actually Christmas. Tomorrow's Christmas Day. So here it is, Christmas Eve. It's 80 degrees in the Bee Wrangler Bee Yard. BeeWrangler.com. Happy